Welcome to quarantine. Well, we're still stuck at home. And I just finished my finals. So now I'm back to doing nothing. And since I'm going to fancy schmancy school for engineering, I decided to maybe put that knowledge to some use and build something. Hello. Ooh, stickers. So the reason I started this project was because I like to build things, and now that I'm at home, I have time to do it because I'm in school, but I've finished the semester. So now that we're locked at home, I decided to learn how to use something called a Raspberry Pi. I know, I want to eat it too, but that's not what it's for. It's sort of like a mini computer thing, and I want to learn how to use it so that in the real world, I can be like, yeah, I've used this before, I know things, hopefully. And yeah, I think the best way to learn is to teach someone, and the best way to teach is gold star stickers. These aren't even stars. Ooh. Oh, I have a pin? What? This is sick. Okay, this is a lot of wires. I'm not an electrical engineer. I'm a mechanical, but I took one electrical class, circuit theory. I know what I'm doing. I probably shouldn't have done that. I'm going to leave the rest in the box and try to figure out what I'm doing. I also have no video editing skills. Words hurt. But I always wanted to do YouTube, and I guess now's the time to do it. I do have to say, buying a kit is so much nicer than doing it on your own. Because it's all organized, and I don't have to wait 3-4 weeks for one single part left. $2 to 3 hours to build your Picade. Probably can't even hear that because I'm recording with a cell phone. At least the audio. Silly faces equals funny. Silly faces equals funny. Silly faces equals funny. See, the reason why I'm using a kit is because I normally have tools at school. I have maybe a wrench, a drill, and a new soldering iron. But yeah, no, I do not have a 3D printer, laser cutter, or any of those schmangled contraptions. That's not even a word. But yeah. But you know, they teach us in engineering school to be self-sufficient? Is that the word? This is why I chose engineering. English is not my strong subject. Screw you, nut. It wasn't that. The beauty of recording things is you can just skip the awkward parts. Problem is if the entire thing is awkward, then I can't really skip much because then I won't have content. Okay, I'm a big boy. I can do strong things. I'm gonna have fun editing this because I don't have any editing skills whatsoever. So it's a learning process. So it turns out I don't know how much memory video takes on a card. Yeah, so I'm going to be recording the rest of this on my phone. Hopefully next video I'll be a bit more prepared for this. Boom, done. Nothing went wrong at all. Nothing. Cut that out. There we go. Oh no! I've lost so many screws and nuts, it's turned into a maraca.